In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live on Patreon if you want to connect with your members in real time. Patreon makes it pretty simple to start a live stream right from the platform. Whether you're using a desktop computer or a mobile device, the process is very similar, and once you know where to look, you can get set up in just a few minutes. To begin, open Patreon and look for the Create option. If you're on desktop, you'll find it in the left side menu. If you're on mobile, tap Create at the bottom of the screen. This is where Patreon gives you different ways to publish content, and going live starts from the same creation area. Once you open the Create menu, choose Live from the available options. At this point, Patreon may ask for permission to use your camera and microphone. Make sure to allow those permissions so your audience can see and hear you properly during the stream. If you accidentally deny access, you may need to go back into your browser or device settings and enable them before continuing. It's also a good idea to quickly check that your camera framing and audio input are working the way you want before moving on. After that, you'll need to configure the details for your live session. Start by entering a clear title so your members immediately know what the stream is about. Then add a description to give a little more context, especially if you'll be covering a topic, hosting a Q&A, or sharing exclusive updates. You'll also choose your audience here. You can make the live available to all members or limit access to specific paid tiers if you want the stream to be exclusive to certain supporters. This step is important because it controls who will be able to join. So take a moment to confirm you've selected the right audience before you continue. When everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. You can either start the live stream right away by clicking Start Live, or if you want to plan ahead, choose Schedule Live and select a future date and time. Scheduling can be especially helpful if you want to give your members advance notice so more people can show up. And that's it. Open Create, select Live, fill in your stream details, and then either go live immediately or schedule it for later. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very straightforward, and it's a great way to build a stronger connection with your Patreon community.